Welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewer, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewers, today we are going to also discuss about Coinbase Wallet, and in this video we are going to discuss how we can change the network of our Coinbase Wallet. Yes, we are going to use many network in our Coinbase Wallet like Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum network, Polygon, or Arbitrums. So sometimes you need to change your network. So in this video I'm giving to complete information how can you change the network of Coinbase Wallet. This is so simple and easy. Before going to start this video, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. You can see here I have uploaded almost 647 videos on this YouTube channel. So simple, go to this YouTube channel, also subscribe this channel and watch the videos. Okay, so now you can see here my browser, Google Chrome browser is open in front of me. I have already installed Coinbase Wallet extension in our this browser. Simple, first I need to log in, and after that we can change the network. Simple, click on this Coinbase Wallet application, and after that you just enter your password here. I'm going to enter my password and click on simple unlock. My wallet is protected with my password. Sometimes I need to get the private key, export private key, so I must need to enter my password. After that I will get the information. So viewers, please keep in your mind, you must apply the password if you need to save your account from scammer or hacker. Okay, so going to click on unlock option. Sorry, I think my password is wrong, so going to again enter. It's maybe some problem, right? Yes, now you can see here my wallet is open in front of me, and this time I have not any balance on this wallet. If I'm going to click on this option, account option, so you can see here I have selected address number 1, means wallet number 1, but I don't confirm which network we are using this time. So how can you confirm, and after that how can you use or change your network? Let's suppose I'm going to click on receive button, and you can see here there is available Ethereum or Solana address or Bitcoin address, but not shown here any address, means any network. So where you can change or where you can use the network, simple go to click on back button, and after that you just simple go to the click on setting option. You can see here the setting option shown here. I'm going to click on setting option, and then the main setting is open in front of me. This option we have already discussed, recover traces and private key, but today we are going to discuss about network change. So yes, you can see here the 6 number option is available here, network. Simple go to the click on this option, and then viewers, you can see here there is many network is available here like Ethereum, Arbitrum, Avalanche, C chain, or Base, BNB Smart Chain, Phantom, or Genesis, OP Mainnet, and Polygon. And if you need to use testnet, so you can also use this portion. If I'm going to click on it, so you can see here also available Binance Smart Chain testnet, Arbitrum, any other network available here. But let's suppose I need to use the Binance Smart Chain. So simple, I just click on three dot, and you can see here there is network name, uh, RPC URL, and also block explorer, and also chain ID and currency symbols. Just simple go to the back and you can just use network which is you want. Again going to click on this network and Ethereum, Arbitrum, Avalanche and Binance Phantom. And let's suppose you want to deposit on Binance Smart Chain. Simple click on asset option, click on receive button, and then you can use the wallet address. Yes, you can see here Solana available here, your Bitcoin wallet address here available here, or your Dogecoin wallet address, Ethereum wallet address, and also Polygon wallet address, and also Litecoin wallet address. If you need to deposit on your wallet, simple click on receive button. After that, select the network, and then you can easily use the network option. And you can also simple click on this globe option, click on it, and you can see here not connected youtube.com, your wallet connected to this side. If it is the crypto D app, you should see a connect wallet. Okay, and if you're going to click on this double button, so your network will be shown front of you: Ethereum, Solana, and also Bitcoin. And this is the wallet addresses with network. Let's suppose I need to deposit on Ethereum. Simple copy Ethereum wallet address and send this person who want to send the money. So I hope you properly understand how can you find the or how can you change your network address from the Coinbase wallet. Simple go to the click on setting button, and after that go to the click on network option, and then you can see here all network is available here, and you can use any network from this list. So if you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me. My email address cryptowalletsinfo, and also you can comments below this video. I will read your comments and I hope I will resolve your problem. So before going to stop this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is cryptowalletsinfo, and also press the bell icon button, because if you click on bell icon button, then you will get properly notification my all new videos. And you can also simple go to my YouTube channel and go to the click on video portion, and then you can see here I have upload many videos about my cryptocurrency wallets like Coinbase, Ethereum, Trust Wallet, BRC20 wallets. Simple go to the visit my YouTube channel and watch all videos, and then you will get all information about cryptocurrency wallets. So we'll meet with you in new video.